Hi friends, Namaste. I am Chandrakanth. Welcome to Mr. Chandrakanth YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited plans to construct integrated metro station at Iblur for 2 new lines. So, before starting video, friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you already subscribed my channel. So coming to the video, the Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited is planning to construct an integrated metro station at Iblur on the outer ring road. The proposed integrated metro station will connect the outer ring road, Central Silk Board and KR Puram line and the recently announced Sarjapura to Hebbal metro line. Iblur station will develop at outer ring road median and is dispersed over the defence land. The Defence Ministry has given a Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited in principle approval for land at Iblur, which has expedited the process. Iblur's interchange will make it easier for outer ring road commuters to go to areas around the central business districts, including Town Hall, Central College and Cunningham Road and etc. Iblur will have a single station for 2 metro lines. Phase 2 outer ring road to Central Silk Board and KR Puram line, and Phase 3A 36 kilometers distance between Sarjapura to Hebbal. It will be a combined and monolithic structure unlike RV Road station. So the design of the station is being finalized and said Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited Managing Director Anjum Parvez. So the outer ring road metro and Sarjapura metro viaduct will run parallel between Agara and Iblur. Considering the future plan for the Sarjapura to Hebbal metro, the BMRCL means Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited Engineering Section has recommended the acquisition of 2 acres of land for integration. So the DPR for the Sarjapura metro is being prepared and is scheduled to finish within a year. The state government announced in its budget for 2022-23 that Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited will build a new metro line from Sarjapura to Hebbal. The 37-kilometer route will pass through Agara, Koramangala, Dairy Circle, Central College and Maikri Circle. It is to be developed at cost of 15,000 crore. The Sarjapura metro corridor will have an elevated portion from Sarjapura to Jakasandra and an underground portion from Koramangala to Hebbal. The Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited has yet to set a deadline for Sarjapura, whereas the outer ring road metro has one set for December 2024. In addition to Iblur, the Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited is facilitating the building of an integrated metro station in Kempapura to connect the outer ring road airport line with Namma Metro Phase 3. Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited will also build a new metro line from Kempapura to JP Nagar as a part of Namma Metro Phase 3. Once finished, the city will have a circular metro line that runs along the outer ring road. Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation proposed another line from Namma Metro Hosahalli station to Kadabegara as a part of Phase 3. Both lines will be about 42 kilometers long in total. This is friends Namma Metro, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. So thank you friends. Thank you.